there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we dive deep into the nitty-gritty of gadgets and gizmos to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have a battle in the skies. It's the DEERC D20 Mini Drone versus the Istone i5 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk price. The DEERC D20 comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. That's like a fancy dinner for two. Or one if you're really hungry. On the other hand, the Istone i5 is priced at $119. That's more like a dinner for two, at a place where they don't even put the prices on the menu. Fancy? So if you're looking to save some bucks, the DEERC D20 is your guy. Next, let's talk about those cameras. The DEERC D20 sports a 720p HD camera. It's perfect for capturing those epic backyard flips and giving your Instagram followers a case of drone envy. But wait, the Istone i5 is packing a 1080p adjustable lens. It's like going from VHS to Blu-ray. You can even adjust the camera angle remotely. Fancy, huh? If you want your footage to look like it was shot by a Hollywood director, the Istone i5 is your drone. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. The DEERC D20 gives you a solid 20 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to fly around and still make it back before your pizza delivery arrives. But the Istone i5 says, "Hold my propeller," with a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's like an entire episode of your favorite sitcom. So if you want to stay airborne longer, the Istone i5 has got your back. Let's talk features. The DEERC D20 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got 3D flips, waypoints fly, voice control. You can even tell it to take a selfie. Just say takeoff or landing, and it's like having your own personal drone butler. But the Istone i5 isn't backing down. It's got headless mode, one key start landing, hand gesture photo/video, and altitude hold. Plus, those brushless motors mean it's quieter than your neighbor's yappy dog. If you love gadgets with all the bells and whistles, it's a tough call. And finally, portability. The DEERC D20 is lightweight and easy to carry around, perfect for kids and anyone who likes to travel light. But the Istone i5 takes it a step further with its ultra-portable, foldable design. It's like the yoga master of drones, flexible and ready to go anywhere. So if you want a drone that fits in your pocket, the Istone i5 is your new best friend. Based on Amazon reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a fantastic entry-level drone for beginners, praised for its ease of use, durability, and affordability. However, it struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Istone i5 drone has received mixed reviews. While some users appreciate its advanced features and good flight performance, others have faced issues with control, camera quality, and durability. The Istone i5 is seen as more suitable for play rather than serious photography or video capture. There you have it, folks. The DEERC D20 is a fantastic, budget-friendly option, especially for kids and beginners. But if you're looking for a bit more power and longer flight time, the Istone i5 might just be worth the extra bucks. Which drone will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.